The path of love is profound.
It's an extremely deep process where you are held all of the way.
Absolutely life-changing, amazing.
Path of Love has transformed my life.
I feel so happy. I feel so whole.
I feel so much softer and senses of self-acceptance and self-love that I've never felt before.
This process has helped me touch parts of myself and uncover parts of myself and move through parts of myself that I didn't know I could.
I feel changed. So many things that have sort of come out of this path that have brought more to what I already had.
I've found community, I've found connection, found my people.
You do come out of it feeling open and trusting.
Somehow the transformation happens and all of a sudden we just feel like, boom, here we are in this complete space of love and wonder.
And it has helped me to rediscover the passion for life that I so longed for.
I can go home now and I've got, skills in place, tools I can use to kind of function better in this really busy world I live in.
My life it'll never go back to being how it was. I've been truly touched.
I'm just so grateful, really.